Possible Finance features, strengths, weaknesses. Possible Finance offers installment loans designed for individuals with thin or damaged credit histories, focusing on accessibility rather than offering the lowest rates. Key features include relatively small loan amounts, typically ranging from $50 to $500, repaid over several weeks or months, and reporting to major credit bureaus, which can help users build credit. The app-based platform streamlines the application process, requiring only a bank account, ID, and social security number. No credit score is pulled for initial approval, relying instead on bank account activity. It's primarily tailored for those with limited credit options seeking to establish or rebuild credit, offering a path to accessing more traditional financial products later. One of the biggest strengths is its focus on credit building, transparent fee structure, and quick funding. Reporting payments to credit bureaus allows users to demonstrate responsible repayment behavior, potentially improving their creditworthiness over time. The clarity around fees helps borrowers understand the total cost of the loan upfront, avoiding unexpected charges. Funds can often be disbursed within hours of approval, providing rapid access to needed cash. However, significant weaknesses exist. The interest rates are substantially higher than those offered by traditional lenders, reflecting the increased risk associated with lending to borrowers with poor credit or no credit history. This makes Possible Finance loans an expensive form of credit, best suited for short-term emergencies where no cheaper alternative exists. Loan amounts are relatively small, potentially insufficient for addressing larger financial needs. Over-reliance on bank account activity can be problematic if applicants have inconsistent income or overdraft issues. Furthermore, while Possible Finance reports to credit bureaus, the impact on your credit score might be limited compared to larger, more established credit lines. Finally, because they don't do a hard credit pull, using services like Possible Finance as your only form of credit building might not be sufficient to demonstrate creditworthiness to other lenders. In conclusion, Possible Finance provides a valuable service for a specific demographic needing small, short-term loans and the opportunity to build credit. However, the high cost of borrowing necessitates careful consideration of alternatives. Before using Possible Finance, explore all other options, including credit counseling, borrowing from friends or family, or exploring local community resources. If those options are unavailable, and you need fast access to a small amount of cash and are committed to responsible repayment, Possible Finance might be a viable option. Just remember that it's a stepping stone, not a long-term financial solution.